what we have here, this robot is an agricultural robot, and what he would do is to help guide the robot in terms of seed planting and seed removal. So using this application over here,
HoloLens.
yeah, the HoloLens. The HoloLens is actually a headset created by Microsoft for mixed reality, and with the application, he can actually provide commands and all those stuff to guide the robot on like what to do, as I've said just now, seed removal, seed, and then seed planting. And so right now would be a quick demo of what the application will be and what you do.
So once again, my name is Sagar. So as you can see over here in the TV actually, so the DoBot installation guide sequence is given here. So it's an instruction on the device how to use the modules and suction modules to connect it and do the seed planting and devices and things. So here I'm going to select the next scene. As you can see, this is the robot installation guide, and you can see the tutorial modes and display and checklist installation guides over here. So it will be showcasing you how to actually use the application. So next is a tutorial. So the users who are using this MR application will be able to go through the tutorial how to pinch and touch the application over here. Then comes the next thing, which shows the seed planting and the seed removal. As you can see over here, the robot actually does the animation sequence and shows how the seed planting is actually done. So the robot actually moves and collects the seed and it plants. Next is the seed removal part. So you can see here the seed planting has the sprout selection and empty pot. So as you can see, you can select it and plant it. So when you plant it, the animation sequence actually starts and the robot actually does the seed planting. So next is weed plugging. So as you can see, the flowers have been developed actually, and it will be, the robot will be harvesting the flowers into the blue pot actually. So the robot is actually made for planting as well as removal features as well as harvesting features. So next we will show the guide of what all is there in the robot arm over here. In the MR, as you can see, the gripper section modules will be placed here, the lower arms, elbow, shoulder, base and power. So this is the main structure of the robot, and it will explain what all things are there. So next is the checklist. As I told you before, we have the pen module, then the gripper and the section module, which is already connected to the device. So the last is installation. So the installation part shows how the device is actually connecting the power supply, the modules, and how the pen holder and the gripper is connected. So all the animation sequence will be shown through the MR application. And this is the final part which the device actually connects. So as I did in the MR, I will be actually doing it physically as well. So as you can see here, there is already a suction module connected over here, and when I press the key, the robot starts moving and does the seed planting or seed removal, you can say. So mostly this is the part where the plant seeding and plant process does. So this mainly to help farmers increase the environmental sustainability and the profitability of robot and things, and to have newer technology based for farming. So that's all for us. This is the robot installation guide for seed planting as well as seed removal. This is mainly based for agricultural process.